Ever felt that mid-morning hunger pang and thought, I need a snack now? Today, I want you to try something different. Crave repair, not snacks. Your body has a built-in repair system called autophagy. Think of it like a tidy-up crew that recycles old cell parts. It clears out junk and keeps everything running smoothly. When autophagy kicks in, it can help reduce inflammation. It can refresh your cells and even support higher growth hormone levels, key for recovery and body composition. So, how do you turn this on? One powerful switch is intermittent fasting. Give your system a break from constant eating, and you allow autophagy to clean, repair, recycle. Here's the mindset shift. Hunger isn't always an emergency. Sometimes that gentle rumble is your body saying, cool, I'm repairing. Not every pang needs a pantry raid. Try a simple schedule. Finish dinner by 7 p.m. Eat again at 11 a.m. That's a 16-hour window where your body can reset. Stay hydrated. Water, black coffee, unsweetened tea. Keep busy during the first hour you'd usually snack. The urge often passes in 10 minutes. Pair it with protein-forward meals, plenty of veggies, consistent sleep, and start small, 12 hours, then 14 hours, then 16 hours. The goal isn't perfection, it's giving your cells time to spring clean. You might notice clearer thinking, steadier energy, less mindless snacking. And on those mornings when your stomach whispers, smile and remember, this is your built-in repair system at work. Crave repair, not snacks. Give your body the space to do what it's designed to do. And as always, listen to your body. If you feel unwell, eat. Adjust. Try again another day. I'm rooting for you. One fast, one repair at a time.